Hi guys, so today I am making a baby soup and I'm really excited, and I do want to say thank you to all the people that have subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much. Much love to you guys, and please comment down below if you want to hear stories. I do have a few stories, like my crazy neighbor upstairs. He's cray. Anyways, or if you guys want to hear a little bit more about myself, let me know. Comment down below. Thanks guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. Bye. Okay guys, so right now I'm just gonna measure out my water, and I'm gonna make 190 grams of water. So I'm gonna pour it in there. And my thing is on ounces. Now, based on what I've read, grams is like the best to, instead of ounces or pounds. It's a little more accurate. So I'm just gonna measure out 190 grams. Sorry if my phone's a little shaky. I don't have my camera no more, so I'm using my cell phone. The camera was like $2,000 and I borrowed it for a little bit, and now I had to give it back. So I am forced to use my phone. Oh my god. So I'm gonna stop the camera because this is gonna take a really long time. Okay, so we are at 190 grams, and then now I'm just gonna I'm gonna measure out my lye solution. Okay guys, so now it's 67 grams of lye. Now in a container, you can pretty much use any container, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a little triangle back there, and if it's at a number 5, it's okay to use. Anything that has a 5 in it, I don't know if I can focus on it. If you can see it, let me focus on it. Anyways, so yeah, so keep that in mind when you're using plastic containers, that it's at a 5 on the number. Okay guys, so I'm just measuring out my lye solution. Now it's very important that you use the right equipment, because if you don't, you know, the plastic can melt when you add the water. You could burn, it could eat at the glass. That's why you only use plastic. Okay, I went over again, so I'm just gonna pause it until I'm at the right grams. Okay, great. So I'm like 1 gram away. Oh my god, this is horrible. Come on. Oh, okay, 67 grams. I am outside in a well-ventilated area, and I'm just going to pour a little bit of my lye, just a little bit, into the water. And then I'm just going to do this periodically, very slowly, and I'm going to mix. Seriously, this process takes forever. This process takes a long time. So I will be back once my solution is ready. And notice how I put a little bit and I have a lot to go. See you guys. Hey guys, so I'm gonna get ready to blend. So I'm gonna put my solution in, my oils. And we'll see how this comes out. And of course, I'm gonna fast forward and see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, I am very happy with the blending for now. and I'm really excited. And now I'm just gonna pour in these little stamped little molds that I found online on Amazon, and they're really cool. And it's been really, really hot lately, and I really hope that it doesn't affect the weather doesn't affect my soap. But I'm really scared about that. But I hope it doesn't, and I hope it comes out well. But yeah, it's been super hot lately. So anyways, I'm gonna pour it in. Now I did get this recipe online, and I'm gonna provide a link because I do not like copycats. I don't like it. I don't believe in that. And if you do find something online, or if you get an idea from someone else, I really do hope that you guys provide their link or their channel from where you got the information from. And that's what I plan on doing. I'm gonna put the link as where I got this recipe, and it's just because I don't trust myself making a baby soap out of my own recipe. I would have to create one and all that, so I'd rather just get it online from someone and make sure that it works. And I trust the Soap Queen a lot, and Love and Soap, and they're very reputable, so that's where I get most of my information from. So yeah, I'm gonna leave their links, and I totally giving them credit for it, and I do believe in giving the credit where it's deserved. And if you do get an idea, please make sure to leave their links down below of your channel. It's just the right thing to do. So anyways, I'm gonna check these out tomorrow and see how they come out, and I'm gonna be super, super excited. And I will see you guys either tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon, not sure yet. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, so it is the next day, and my soap was completely fine. I even unmolded one over there, and now a few hours later it is sweating. And I think I'm almost 100% positive that it has to do with the weather. It's been very, very hot today, and I believe that that's why it's sweating. As you can see, it has little drops everywhere. And I unmolded one, and it feels oily, so it's the oil that's making it like that. I am hoping that it's gonna reabsorb back into the soap. I put little desiccant packets, as you can see, and desiccant packets, what it does, it absorbs any moisture around, like wherever it's at. So hopefully it will absorb back into the soap, and we will see. And I will leave a link down below as well as to soap sweating. Okay guys, I will check on it again. Bye. Hi guys, so my soaps are good now, and I'm gonna get ready to mold them, and there's no more sweating or anything like that, which I knew it had to do with the weather. It's been really hot and humid over here. Guys, so let me unmold it, and I'm just gonna flip it over gently. Oh man, they're still too soft and a bit oily. And I even put salt on them so they can be harder, but that's normal for olive oil. And when you're working with olive oil, I don't want to unmold them now. Just have to, oh. Do it gently. And they're still a bit oily, and it's due to the glycerine in the air. That's very normal. Ooh, that one came out real pretty. So I'm gonna try and do these. And it's still a little oily, but that's normal. I super fat it pretty high. It is a baby soap, so it's expected. I think I'm just gonna give them a few more days because they're still very, very soft. And I guess I'm very impatient. But they came out real pretty. Real pretty and really, really moisturizing. I can feel it in my hands right now. So like this is an all like very natural baby soap with olive oil, shea butter, coconut oil. And I think that's it. And I will leave the recipe in the link. So please do not forget to subscribe. And I love the way it came out. They're a little soft, but overall they're perfect. So thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Hey guys, so it came out really, really good, and even though they're a little soft, which is expected, it's a baby soap, I'm really happy with it, and I'm so glad they came out this good. They're super soft. So thanks for watching. Bye guys.